Greetings to Biafrans all over the world. This day, Tuesday, 20th day of June, 2023. It is 30 years since the annulment of the election that could have made Mushid Abiola the president of Nigeria, which also caused the planned riot leading to the destruction of properties and livelihood of the Igbo Biafrans living in Lagos State and other parts of Yoruba land in 1993. The recent demolition of Alaba International Market and homes of the Igbo Biafrans living in Lagos State I repeat myself again. The recent demolition of Alaba International Market and homes of the Igbo Biafrans residing in Lagos State, governed by Sanwo-Olu, is a reminder, is a very big reminder that Igbo Biafrans are not still safe in that part of the country. I, General Innocent Ani Oji, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the State of Biafra, want to state especially that the life of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu are sacred and should not be arbitrarily tampered upon by the administration of President Bola Tinubu, aka Jagaban. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should be immediately released. He must be released. The distance of Igbo Biafrans from their place of origin should not be a detriment for the enforcement of their basic human rights. This is a promise and not a threat. God bless Biafra. Long live State of Biafra.
Long live Biafra National Guard.
Long live State of Biafra.
Long live Biafra National Guard.
Long live Biafra Provisional Government.
Long live Biafra National Guard.
Thank you.
Down the valley, yo. Down the valley, yo. Down the valley, yo. sit down the valley, yo.
Down the valley, yo. See down the valley, yo. Down the valley, yo. See down the valley, yo.
Down the valley,
Yes,
yo.
sir.
Down the valley, yo. See down the valley, yo.
Down the valley, yo. See down the valley, yo. Down the valley, yo. See down the valley, yo.
Down the valley, yo. See down the valley, yo. Down the valley, yo. See down the valley, yo.
Down the valley, yo. See down the valley, yo. Down the valley, yo. See down the valley, yo.
As I walk in the valley, yo, there was a bird, one of the tree, one of the flowers, singing the valley,
Yes,
yo.
sir.
Down